Rocket League players, have you been struggling with server issues, weird bugs, or just can't get the game to work? You're not alone. But don't worry, we've got the ultimate fixes to get you back in action fast. Stay tuned, because at the end, we'll reveal a secret trick that most players don't know. Lately, thousands of Rocket League players have been reporting serious problems: server disconnections, lag spikes, and even crashes. Is it the game? Is it your internet? Let's break it down. First, check if it's a global issue. Head over to the Rocket League status Twitter and Epic Games server status page for real-time updates. If servers are down, it's just a waiting game. But if they're fine, keep watching. We've got more fixes. Next, check if your platform is the issue. Xbox users, look at the Xbox Live status page. PlayStation players, check the PSN service status. PC users, make sure Epic Games or Steam isn't having network problems. Did you update Rocket League? The latest patch v2.50, released on March 25, 2025, fixed major bugs like flip reset issues and dash animation glitches. If you're not updated, do it now. Sometimes the simplest fix is the best. Restart your console or PC. It clears out minor glitches and refreshes your connection. Try it before anything else. Bad internet? That's a game killer. Run a speed test. If it's slow, restart your router or switch to a wired connection for the best stability. Tried everything and still no luck? Time for the ultimate fix. Contact Rocket League support. Many players have had success with direct troubleshooting from the developers. Don't hesitate. Get help fast. There you have it. Every fix you need to get Rocket League running smoothly again. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video on Pro Rocket League tips. See you in the game.